Thinly slice fresh eggplants and whisk a few eggs to create a dish so tasty, you'll be amazed it's not more well-known. This simple recipe requires no steaming, boiling, or baking, making it perfect for beginners. This dish is always a crowd pleaser and disappears quickly at the table. Start by preparing 2 fresh purple eggplants. Place them in a large bowl, sprinkle with a pinch of salt and a dash of baking soda, then cover with water. Stir to dissolve the salt and baking soda, which helps remove dirt, chemicals, and some pesticides while eliminating bacteria. Soak for about 10 minutes, any longer, and the eggplants may soften and lose nutrients. Gently scrub the skin to clean it, taking care around the spiky stems. Then rinse thoroughly with fresh water. Trim off the stems, which are tough and prickly, to ensure a tender dish. Slice the eggplants into thin coin-like rounds to ensure uniform pieces. Then cut these into thin strips for even cooking and a smooth texture. Eggplants are packed with fiber, aiding in toxin elimination and supporting colon health. In a bowl, combine the eggplant strips with 3 beaten eggs. Chop fresh shrimp into small pieces and add them to the mix for a sweet, aromatic flavor that complements the eggplant beautifully. Finely chop some scallions and toss them in. Season with 1/2 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and seasoning powder, stirring in one direction until the egg coats the eggplant evenly and becomes slightly frothy. Eggplants are nutrient-rich, containing potassium, magnesium, calcium, vitamins A, C, B1, B12, and more, supporting strong bones and immunity. Add a small amount of cornstarch and mix well. This helps the egg mixture adhere to the eggplant, maintaining its shape during cooking and adding a slight crispness. Heat a pan over low heat, add oil, and spread the eggplant egg mixture evenly. Cook slowly to allow the eggs to set and the eggplant's moisture to evaporate, enhancing the flavor. Eggplants lose nutrients at high heat, so low and slow is best. Cover and cook for about 2 minutes, shaking the pan to check if the bottom is set. Flip the omelet by sliding it onto a plate, then inverting it back into the pan to cook the other side evenly. Continue cooking over low heat, gently pressing the edges with a spatula and moving the pan to avoid burning. Thorough cooking prevents potential irritation from eggplant's histamine-like compounds. Cook until both sides are golden and fragrant, filling the kitchen with an irresistible aroma. The result is a golden, crispy-edged omelet studded with tender shrimp, fluffy eggs, and silky eggplant, a perfect balance of flavors and textures. This dish is ideal for all ages and a refreshing alternative to stir-fried eggplant. Serve and enjoy the compliments. That wraps up our recipe. If you have any thoughts or feedback, please share them in the comments. If you enjoyed this dish, give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to follow for more recipes. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.